Hey illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a unicorn character step by step. Here's a quick preview of what it looks like when it's finished. All right illustrators, let's get started. Okay illustrators, we will begin our unicorn illustration with the head of our unicorn as the letter U. From there, we'll add the bangs of our unicorn. That is this really fun shape on top of its head. We'll add 2 ears, a little detail area inside there. And then the horn we'll do in a couple little shapes that just get smaller as we get to the top. So the unicorn's face, we're going to put a big divider line. And we'll put the eyes above that line. 1, 2. Two little eyebrows. Little nostrils here below the line. And that's also where we will put a little smile. Our unicorn's going to be standing up, so we'll start with the body, which is basically like another letter U shape, just a smaller one. And we'll make 4 legs. We're going to start with the first 2. They are essentially rectangle shapes. 2. The other 2 we will see coming from behind. Put some little hoof details at the bottom of each one. And one of my favorite parts of the unicorn is we'll see the tail flipping out from behind here. And you can add a couple lines here that will set you up for some color success later. You can make all 3 of these stripes a different color if you want to. We can add a little indication that our unicorn is standing on the ground with a few lines and dots. Okay, so there we have our unicorn character. Now we get to add some color to them. So feel free to use colored pencils, markers, crayons, anything you'd like to color with. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our unicorn illustrations. The last step we have to do is sign them because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, there's our unicorn character. Great job today, everybody. If you enjoyed yourself, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for so many more illustrations coming your way. I'll see you next time.